does it, keep it steady. Easy does it, keep it steady. Steady on the rotation, easy does it. Right there, bring her down. All stations, prepare for vessel arrival. Straps secured on the primary chassis points. Easy now, initiating the lift. Easy does it, keep it steady.
Can you believe we actually found it? It is a miracle. Let's bring it back to life. Look at the frame. It is a mess. We can save it. This handle is completely frozen. The seam is full of rust. Let's see if we can get this to loosen up. I'm documenting the process on the tablet. Steady on the pressure. Let's see what is inside. Applying pressure now, easy does it. There it goes, look at that. Documenting the interior, sand and shells are in the vents. Pressure is steady. Pressure is steady. Pressure is steady. Copy that, documenting the first pass. Keep the pressure steady on the roof. Clear! Sand is clearing out here. Covering the front now! Keep it moving, don't stop. Get inside the door seam. Looks good, let it sit. Take it slow around these edges. All right, let's rinse it off. The salt water really did a number on this. Let's begin the disassembly. Let's begin the disassembly. These lug nuts are completely frozen. There it goes. Tag it, front left. Tag it, front left. Give it one last shot of oil. Give it one last shot of oil. Got it. Let's get these doors off. Clear on this side. Let's get the crane in place. This panel hasn't been opened in years. Watch the fluid lines, take it slow. Steady on the chain. Watch the mounts. Let's get these screens in place. Align the repair panel right here. Prepping the rail for the new plate. Smoothing out these weld seams now. Clear that dust off. Converting the rust in the engine bay. Looks solid. Surface contour looks correct. Pressure looks good, let's start. Keep the passes even. Keep it moving, nice and steady. Looks incredible in black. Lower it down. Aligning the mounts. Mounts are secure. Bring in the fronts. Align the hub. Torque to spec.